vibes, man. Long live baby, long live
Look, been tryna maintain, I'm holding on in my own lane. Just caught the Michael Draco, I can't wait to let this bitch sing. It ain't the same, my nigga changed, so I fell back and changed lane. That shit that hurt me deep, them spilling out of stoves all in the rain. Walk to school all in the rain, walk to see hoes all in the rain. Niggas told my roads tripping, what the fuck, I stayed the same. Baby died, I got a gun, how died that ride and I seen flames. When them niggas spent broke candle light, y'all ran that shit a shame. I don't wanna speak on that though, I got money on my jail phone. Over telling JP, bitch, I sent money off through them jail phones. Bro gon' keep on fucking up, he going flat behind these damn hoes. Talking about bro road trip, your road dog, he tryna back though.
Oh, we finna go.
Bro, we got 4 minutes down. I said we'll make it over there in 5 minutes. He said 10 or 15. Then I said probably 7. Hey, that feels good. He said probably 7. I said probably 7. He said 10 to 15. We got 4 minutes in. Just hit 5. So, we might make it over that much in 20 minutes. The way this slow this shit going. This shit so slow.
I knew you was gonna catch on. I knew we was gonna catch on, man. That's what I'm talking about, girl. Hold that thing up. Hold that thing up, man.
I didn't even get to record. I just...
Cause it happened too fast, man. That's probably like a little 1 pound. Ain't nothing too crazy. But we got on something. Yes, sir. Come on, get a release on that boy. No, hold him in there, like, hold him in the water and then release him.
Hold on.
Or you can throw him in there if you want to.
I can just throw it?
Yeah, throw him in there. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, baby. How far? Yes, sir. Now I gotta get on one. That girl got home fish. There we go, babe. There we go, babe.
Oh my God.
There we go. Right in that, babe. No, I got it. And he got off just in time. Throw it out there. There's probably a group of them out there. There's probably a group of them out there. You mean it's stuck? Let me put this stuck at the top.
And right here, I look like.
Oh, it's stuck at the top. Just reel it from the top. Untangle it from the top. Yeah, sure. Fish number 2 for the day. Nice little one. Get a good release on that boy. Yeah, sure. Nice little guy. What a big inside, bro. Hmm? There we go. Big, throw out there. Throw towards me, babe. I'm talking about it's for school out there. Fish number 3, baby. Fish number 3, baby. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Fish number 3. I'm talking about. Get back out there so we can try to get a double up. Probably need to throw that spinner bait. Well, you did just catch one on the chatterbait, so yeah, they hitting the chatterbait too. Probably a school level. It's hella grass. Come on, reel it in. Gotta pop it off the grass. And he told you gotta reel that bit in. And then when you get to the middle, that's when you reel it slow, bro. You gotta reel it in fast until you get to the middle from all that grass. When I got a big one, you need to grab that damn net. I'm not finna boat floating over big ass fish. Not finna lose that, bro. I told you, as soon as we starting off slow, we starting off trash, so we gonna end good. You threw it right in there, so you gotta reel it in fast. Look, man, come on, you gotta get out here. Come on, 3.
That's 4.
3 for me, 1 for you, 4. It's a school over there, bro, and they healthy. Told you, bro. We gonna start off trash, but we gonna end off good. That's how it go every time. It never fails. Fish number 3, little guy. Looking for the big guy.
Oh, crazy.
Hmm? Yo, what?
My stuff is not wet.
What stuff?
Look, been tryna maintain, I'm holding on in my own lane. Just caught the Michael Draco, I can't wait to let this bitch sing. It ain't the same, my nigga changed, so I fell back and changed lane. That shit that hurt me deep, them spilling out of stores all in the rain. Walk to school all in the rain, walk to see hoes all in the rain. Niggas told my roads tripping, what the fuck, I stayed the same. Baby died, I got a gun, hopped out that ride and I seen flames. When them niggas spent broke candle like y'all ran that shit a shame. I don't wanna speak on that though, I got money on my jail phone. Over telling JP bitch I sent money off through them jail phones. Bro gon' keep on fucking up, he going flat behind these damn hoes. Talking about bro road trip, your road dog, he tryna back though. Heard that fast nigga when y'all was locked down behind that wall, I had y'all back nigga. When Bibby fucking died, stood on that block tryna catch a hat nigga. When I was broke as fuck down on my dick, y'all left me flat nigga. Bitch on the baby bro with the biggest gun, bitch on that fast nigga.